Dash cams have quickly become an essential upgrade for modern drivers, offering peace of mind every time you hit the road. Whether it's capturing unexpected incidents, protecting you in case of disputes, or simply recording your journeys, the best dash cams act as a reliable second set of eyes while you drive. Today's top models go far beyond basic recording. With features like 4K video, night vision, wide-angle lenses, GPS tracking, and smart connectivity, modern dash cams deliver clear, detailed footage in almost any condition. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best dash cams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Vantru Nexus 4 Pro. If you're a professional driver, or anyone who spends serious time on the road, the Vantru dashcam is built with you in mind. Unlike typical dashcams that only record the road ahead, this one adds an internal-facing cabin camera, perfect for rideshare drivers, taxi operators, or anyone who wants to capture everything happening inside the vehicle. What's neat is that the cabin cam is integrated into the main unit, so you don't have a tangle of wires or separate devices cluttering your windshield. The unit itself is chunky but functional, with a wide screen that makes viewing footage and navigating the menu easy. You won't get a touchscreen here though. Vantru relies on physical buttons to scroll through settings, which may feel a little old school, but works reliably even while driving. For some tasks, the dashcam also offers voice control, letting you lock files or start recording without taking your hands off the wheel. When it comes to video, the front camera records in crisp 4K at 30 frames per second, delivering detailed footage in nearly every lighting condition. The rear and interior cameras record in 1080p, which is still more than adequate for security, monitoring, or insurance purposes. Bright sunlight can challenge the front camera a bit, but overall, the video quality is impressive, capturing license plates, street signs, and details inside the car with clarity. Installation is straightforward, and the integrated design keeps the setup clean, avoiding the mess of extra wires for the cabin cam. If you're looking for a dash cam that goes beyond just front and rear recording, the Vantru hits the mark with its triple camera setup, voice commands, and solid 4K front footage. It's a practical, professional-grade solution for anyone who wants comprehensive coverage on the road, both outside and inside the vehicle. Number 4. Red Tiger F7NP. The Red Tiger F7NP is one of those dash cams that might seem a little confusing at first glance, especially when you're scrolling through the different bundles on the official site. But once you break it down, it's actually an excellent value for a 4K dual-channel setup. Out of the box, it comes with a 32GB SD card, which is fine for basic use, but the 128GB bundle is where it really shines. This version includes a hardwire kit and a polarizing filter, giving you more storage and cleaner, glare-free footage right away. What really sets the F7NP apart is its suction cup windscreen mount, which makes it incredibly easy to move between vehicles, a feature that most dashcams simply don't offer. On the performance side, the front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures 1080p, delivering sharp, detailed footage thanks to the Starvis 2 sensor and WDR technology, which improves low-light performance and handles high-contrast scenes beautifully. The field of view is impressively wide, and while it introduces a bit of edge distortion, the trade-off is better coverage at intersections and junctions, which can be a lifesaver in real-world driving situations. The F7NP is also packed with smart features, including built-in GPS, Wi-Fi app control, loop recording, a G sensor for incident detection, and night vision. The compact design even includes a built-in display for quick playback, while OTA updates keep the firmware current without hassle. With a solid 4-star rating, flexible mounting, generous accessories, and an affordable price for a dual-channel 4K setup, the Red Tiger F7NP strikes a perfect balance between performance, convenience, and value, making it a top contender for anyone looking to upgrade their dashcam without breaking the bank. Number 3. Viofo A329S. The Viofo A329S is a feature-packed dashcam that raises the bar for clarity, performance, and reliability, making it a top pick for drivers who want complete peace of mind on the road. Its front camera records in 4K at 60 frames per second, while the rear captures 2K footage, delivering ultra-smooth, detailed video where every license plate, road sign, and street marking is crystal clear, even at high speeds. Powering this impressive performance are dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors. The front IMX678 captures exceptional detail with minimal noise, while the rear IMX675 provides excellent dynamic range, keeping footage balanced in both bright daylight and challenging low-light conditions. When your car is parked, the impact detection parking mode keeps power usage ultra-low, but instantly records if a collision occurs, giving you protection even when you're away from the wheel. Hardwire kit required. Connectivity is another standout feature, thanks to next-generation Wi-Fi 6, which transfers data up to 3 times faster than previous models. You can download a 1-minute 4K clip in under 10 seconds. Storage flexibility is exceptional too, supporting up to 4 terabytes external SSDs or 512 gigabyte micro SD cards, perfect for long road trips without worrying about overwriting footage. The A329S also prioritizes convenience, with hands-free voice control, built-in GPS with multi-satellite support, and a slim coaxial cable for a clean, interference-free installation. To top it off, the included CPL filter minimizes glare and reflections, ensuring crystal-clear footage in all lighting conditions. With all these features, the Viofo A329S is not just a dashcam, it's a future-ready, professional-grade in-car security and recording solution for any driver who demands reliability, detail, and convenience on every journey. Number 2, 70Mi A810. The 70Mi A810 is a feature-packed dashcam that punches well above its weight, putting many competitors to shame. At its core, it records in crisp 4K resolution, but what really sets it apart is the ability to shoot at 60 frames per second, a feature only a few rivals offer. This higher frame rate makes footage incredibly smooth and detailed, which is especially useful when capturing fast-moving traffic or reading license plates. Video quality is further enhanced by 70mi's advanced HDR algorithm, which improves clarity in low-light conditions. In real-world testing, the A810 consistently delivered sharp, well-balanced footage, adapting seamlessly when moving from bright streets into tunnels or shaded areas. Nighttime driving looks particularly impressive. Clean, controlled, and free from the excessive noise or blown highlights that plague cheaper dashcams. The wide 150-degree field of view is another standout feature, capturing more of the road, including adjacent lanes and peripheral activity. A critical factor if you need detailed coverage in the event of an incident. While the wide-angle lens does introduce slight edge distortion, it's minor and unlikely to bother most users. Overall, the 70Mi A810 strikes a strong balance between performance, usability, and premium features. It delivers ultra-clear video, smooth high frame rate recording, and excellent low-light performance, all in a compact, easy-to-use package. For drivers who demand a dashcam that covers all the essentials and then some, the A810 is a top-tier choice in a crowded market, offering reliability and peace of mind mile after mile. Number 1. Blackvue Elite 9. Meet the Blackvue Elite 9, the dashcam that takes in-car recording to a whole new level. With true 4K front and 2K rear recording and dual Starvis 2 sensors, it captures every detail in vivid, full color, even in ultra-low light. Whether it's day or night, the Elite 9 ensures nothing goes unseen, giving you footage that's sharp, detailed, and lifelike. Dual HDR and Blackvue image tuning, combined with premium multi-layer lenses, f1.7 front, f2.0 rear, and 18 years of imaging expertise reveal hidden details in both bright highlights and deep shadows, keeping video low noise and true to life even under harsh sunlight or dimly lit streets. The Elite 9 powers on and starts recording in under a second, even from a cold start, so every critical moment is captured the instant your engine turns over. In parking mode, it draws less than 1 milliampere to preserve your battery, yet wakes instantly in just 0.89 seconds when an event occurs. Built-in GPS and a Smart G sensor detect impacts, sudden braking, or sharp turns, recording 10 seconds before and 50 seconds after each event, while automatically protecting up to 50 files. The dashcam also features an advanced protection system for both device and vehicle battery, and can operate in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect to your smartphone for live view, SD card access, and settings adjustments. Plus, it includes 5 GB of free cloud storage with automatic backup of important events. Supporting micro SD cards up to 1 TB, you'll never run out of space for high-quality recordings. The Blackvue app brings cloud-connected safety features, real-time monitoring, and event alerts without a subscription. The Elite 9 isn't just a dashcam, it's a complete in-car security and recording solution, engineered for reliability, clarity, and peace of mind every mile of the way.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.